In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Elementor Safe Mode. If your Elementor editor is crashing, not loading, or behaving unpredictably, Safe Mode is a quick, built-in way to troubleshoot without taking your site offline or affecting what visitors see. It temporarily isolates the editor from your active theme and other plugins just for your current browser session, so you can pinpoint issues with confidence. Start on your WordPress dashboard and look to the left-hand sidebar for the Elementor menu. Click Elementor, then open Tools. This Tools area is where Elementor keeps its maintenance and troubleshooting utilities. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover to expand it so you can see the labels, and make sure you're in the main site dashboard, not a network admin screen. You'll need the ability to access the dashboard and the Elementor settings to continue. Inside Tools, locate the Safe Mode option. Depending on your Elementor version, it may appear on the General tab or as a clearly labeled toggle in the Tools screen. You'll recognize it by the Safe Mode label and a brief description explaining that it helps resolve loading issues by running the editor without external conflicts. If you don't see it right away, scroll the page or check that Elementor is up to date. The option is part of the core plugin, so you don't need any add-ons to use it. Next, enable it. Click the Enable setting for Safe Mode. This tells Elementor to launch the editor in a protective environment, temporarily bypassing your active theme and third-party extensions while you work. Remember, this only affects your own editing session. Your live site remains unchanged for visitors, search engines, and anyone not logged in. Now save your selection. Click Save Changes to apply Safe Mode. This step is essential. If you navigate away without saving, the setting won't take effect. Once saved, open any page with the Edit with Elementor button to test. If the editor now loads smoothly, that's a strong signal that a theme or plugin conflict may be behind your issue. You can proceed with your troubleshooting inside this safer environment, confident that your audience is still seeing the site as normal. A few quick tips as you work. Keep your browser tab active while testing. Consider clearing your browser cache if the editor still won't load, and double-check that any aggressive caching or security layers are not blocking the editor. Safe Mode doesn't replace proper debugging, but it gives you a controlled space to diagnose problems efficiently. And that's it. You've enabled Elementor Safe Mode through Elementor, Tools, Safe Mode, Enable, and Save Changes, setting yourself up for faster, safer troubleshooting.